voice to play myself, which is something I do really well.
That's scale, right?
God,
$666?
$606 to play myself. That's scale or it's an earthquake, depending where you live.
Okay. Tell me what the Getaway...
What is this on your hand?
Oh, I got...
What is it on your hand? Are you trying to become...
No, it's a...
Michael Jackson. Sorry. No. Hey, I'm only getting $606 to be here. Don't you ooh me.
Oh, God. Now, you know... Okay, well, you want some water? Yeah. We got a little straw there.
You foiled my fondest dream.
What was your
You know, one of my fondest dreams is when I got to be a really rich and successful actress and I went on a talk show, actually had something to promote. You would say, now we have a clip coming up. Jennifer, that would be you, the host. You'd say, Jennifer, why don't you set up the clip? And I would say, oh, I have no idea what the clip is. You know, like they do, like those really successful actresses. Like there's so many clips that they couldn't possibly keep track of them.
Well, I'll tell you what.
And then I say, well, you know, I just think it's like probably a clip where I'm doing something fabulous. And then you go, what's your stage manager's name?
Just choose a name.
Ernie. You go, Ernie, roll the clip. So then all during the clip I'm doing this. And then after the clip you go, Jennifer, I noticed you seemed a little uncomfortable during that clip. You don't like to watch yourself, do you? And I say, no. I find it very difficult to watch myself. Get back here, Arsenio! You're getting paid to be the host of the show.
Don't need me!
You don't need me! I'm just getting scared! Sit your butt down!
But you don't need me!
What?
Tell them about Getaway and set up your own damn clip. We'll be right back after this important message. You don't need me. Sitting here with Jennifer. I don't need no damn host, Tilly.
Arsenio came backstage and said, Just, you want to do the second segment all by yourself? I'll just sit back here and rest. And I said, no.
I get paid anyway.
No, I need you, Arsenio. I need you to ask me the questions that lead to the answers. And then he goes, we better talk about the Getaway. Your people get mad. And I go, what people? He goes, you know, those people, the people that get mad when you don't talk about your show. Last time I was on my publicist. Right? Yeah, no, she's back there, my publicist. You sent her one of those little globes that you shake up for Christmas where you're sitting on a roof.
Someone did.
Yeah, you're all covered with snow. And I thought, what did Arsenio think my publicist would like this for Christmas for? But it was very nice of you to remember her. She was going to throw it out, and somebody said there's going to be a really big market in Arsenio Hall memorabilia. So you know what? If you're not getting paid enough, you should take these crates of all these presents and keep them down in the basement. And then when you're like sort of down and out, then you can like sort of flood the market. Sell these globes like $200 a piece.
I think I'm being dissed. I'm not sure.
And then the next year you gave her an Arsenio Hall radio, which came in really good when the earthquake happened.
Oh, yeah.
And she just like did the little dial. She could like look at you while she was listening to the disaster news. Yeah, it was great. It came in very, very handy.
See, so I scored one year.
Yes, you did.
Yeah. Now, tell them about Getaway, Jennifer.
Right. So last time I was out here, my publicist comes crawling out of intermission. And she's got a little piece of paper, and she hands it to me. She sneaks up. And I read it. It said, stop babbling. Plug your movie. So, okay.
She's very upset, so we have to do the business.
So this movie, The Getaway.
But you don't need me out here.
Yes, I do need you. I need company. I can't be alone since the earthquake.
I think I got a groin pain when you grabbed me there. I'm not sure.
That's the closest I've been to a groin in months.
How revealing, Jennifer.
Well, look, he goes, I grab him by the knee, and he says, oh, you almost got my groin.
They got the damn joke, Jennifer. Sit your ass down.
I didn't get it. I got it.
Tell him about Getaway. Tell him about the movie.
I'm telling the audience you're funny, okay?
Okay.
All right. That was very funny. So he was saying, like, your groin is up here.
I'm not doing this interview. I'm not. You don't need me. So, okay, tell them about Getaway.
Okay.
Getaway is a movie about people trying to get the hell away from Jennifer.
I
like the star in the sequel.
It's a remake of the Ally McGraw Steve McQueen film, and it's with Kim Basinger and Alec Baldwin, and I'm not Kim Basinger.
Okay, let's look at the clip.
Look, don't you laugh. No, we saw the clip already. No,
Yeah.
I don't want to do it. We saw the clip already.
Jennifer?
You don't have to worry about me. I've been tested.
Oh, okay, cool, cool.
There ain't nothing in my saliva.
Don't we have something we can
What?
show?
No.
Show that picture of the Golden Globes. That's good. Let's look at that.
Ah!
Yes.
I did the Golden Globes. I wear this fabulous $9,000 Valentino dress, and you picked the worst picture you could. There was a better picture in the star.
Your publicist gave me that picture.
She did not.
Okay,
I don't care if
Hey,
you send out that picture. So I was wearing this fabulous $9,000 Valentino dress, and Mr. Blackwell, the evening was a success. He called me the worst dressed at the Golden Globes. They don't stay up by themselves, okay? It's hard to be a woman.
Hey,
it's painful.
I know they don't stay by themselves. They need help.
Okay. All right. Mr. Blackwell called me. He goes, Tacky Tilly is an Aztec atrocity in this dress. Period. And I went, wow, Tacky Tilly as opposed to Jennifer Tilly or Meg Tilly, one of the Tilly sisters, the little-known one, and then see, I have red hair in that picture. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ernie, can you put that picture back up? Okay. The day after I got that, because I saw my hair's all sticking straight up, and I have, like, red lipstick on and everything, I thought it looked like the Joker, so I went out and dyed my hair the next day. And I thought that way people won't be pointing me and going, oh, there's Tacky Tilly. It was the Aztec shot. Oh, Liz Smith called me in the Getaway. She said, Jennifer Tilly is an amoral imbecile. No, she said, I'm memorable as an amoral imbecile.
Oh,
At least she
that's a
didn't
compliment.
say, yeah, it is. It is. It's a compliment. But I went to the gym, and all my friends go, oh, here comes the amoral imbecile. It kind of stuck. All my friends call me the amoral imbecile now.
Okay. So, like, gosh, I hate it, but we're out of time,
God.
you know?
We're out of time.
Yes. But would you come back again sometime?
I'll come back tomorrow.
Jennifer Tilly.